Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down 10 simple and interesting ways to invest your money. Now don't worry, this isn't going to be a full of complicated finance talk. We're keeping it easy, fun, and beginner friendly. Whether you've got $10, $100, or a little more to spare, there's something here for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Number 1. Start with high-yield saving accounts. First thing first, let's keep it simple. A high-yield saving account is a regular saving account but with turbo boost. You put your money in and the bank gives you a higher interest rate. It's risk-free, safe, and your money grows while you do nothing and stay at home. It's perfect for beginners who wants to see their saving increase without any stress. Number 2, invest in government bonds. Think of this as lending your money to the government and they pay you back with interest. How cool that is, no? It's as safe as it gets and you'll know exactly what you're earning. Sure, it's not the most exciting investment, but hey, sometimes boring equals reliable. Number 3, explore mutual funds and ETFs. Now, let's level up a little mutual funds and ETFs. These are perfect if you want to invest in the stock market but don't want to pick individual stocks. Basically, you pool your money with other investors and professionals manages it for you. It's like getting a salad. You don't pick the individual veggies, but you know you're getting a healthy mix. Low risk, less effort, and still chance for good return. Number 4, real estate crowdfunding. Alright, here's something cool. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in property anymore. Platforms like Fundrise let you team up with other investors to fund real estate projects. And over time, property values tend to go up, so your investment grows. Number 5, peer-to-peer lending. P2P. Now, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. It's where you lend your money directly to people or small business through online platforms. In return, they pay you back with interest. Platforms like Prosper make this super easy to start even with small amounts. Number 6, dividend stocks. Let's move to dividend stocks. These are stocks they pay you regular cash as a reward for investing in their company. It's like getting a paycheck for simply owning shares. The best part, if you reinvest those dividends, your money starts compounding, and that's when things really get exciting. It's a win-win, steady income and long-term growth. Honestly, who doesn't love getting paid for doing nothing? Feels like magic, doesn't it? Number 7, start a retirement account. Let's talk about future you. Retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs are powerful tools to secure your golden years. You contribute a bit of your income now and it gets invested in things like stocks and bonds. The magic? Tax advantages. Your money grows faster because Uncle Sam isn't taking a cut right away. Future you will thank you for starting today. Number 8, invest in cryptocurrency. Talking about crypto, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the world by storm. They're risky? Yes, but they also offer huge potential for growth. If you're curious and okay with a little volatility, start small and use trusted platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Just remember, don't put all your eggs in the crypto basket. Diversify and invest only what you're willing to lose. Number 9, invest in stocks for long-term growth. Now we're getting serious. Stocks. Buying stocks means owning a piece of company. Over time, as the company grows, so does the value of your shares. Platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity makes it super easy for beginners to start. Just remember, stocks are a long-term game. Don't panic when the market dips. It's just all part of the process. Number 10, start a side business. And finally, invest in yourself by starting a side business. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering a service, a side business can turn your skills into extra income. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Upwork make it easier than ever to get started. With time, effort, and a little strategy, that side hustle can grow into something big. So, there you have it. 10 simple and exciting ways to invest your money. Whether you're starting with a saving account, exploring stocks, or dividing into real estate, the key is to start. Investing isn't just for rich or experts, it's for you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips on building wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.